My first colours. Are you ready? Let's take a look. Red, ladybird, tomato, yo-yo, boat, shoes, windmill, truck, envelope, strawberry, apple, maple leaf, raspberries, gloves, fire engine. Blue, teapot, apron, door, jeans, coat hanger, buttons, wool, car, sofa, spade, bath toy, butterfly, bucket, scooter, chair, goggles. Yellow, cheese, bowl, guitar, corn, lemon, sports car, rubber duck, sunflower, fish, canary, banana, rubber boots, digger, duckling. Green, limes, avocado, alarm clock, apple, peas, tractor, leaf, lettuce, frog, parrot, grapes, caterpillar, lizard. Purple, plums, bicycle, flower, cushion, socks, present, cabbage, suitcase, balloon, hat, cake, block, bath, mug. Orange, kettle, basketball, carrot, swim ring, comb, hard hat, traffic cone, apricots, towel, oranges, pumpkin, goldfish, kittens. Pink, bath toy, milkshake, mirror, earrings, tiara, watering can, stool, skirt, sunglasses, soap, flower, flamingo, donut. Black, crow, ants, blackcurrant, beetle, leopard cub, baby chimp, licorice, umbrella, jam, blackberries, puppy, bow tie. White, white, polar bear, snowman, chalk, mouse, plate, ice skates, milk, rabbit, lamb, feather, goat, ball, shell, Swan. Can you match the colours? Let's have a look. White. Can you find anything that's white? Polar bear. Well done. Next one is black. Can you see anything black? Sunglasses. Correct. Next one is blue. Let's see, what can we find that is blue? Oh, spade. Spade is blue. You are doing well. Next colour is brown. What could be brown? Oh yeah, rabbit. The rabbit is brown. Green. What is green in this picture? Let's take a look. It is the leaf. Leaf is green. Yes. Orange. Orange. What is orange in this picture? The screwdriver. The screwdriver is orange. Next color, pink. What can we see that's pink? Rubber boots. The rubber boots are pink. Yay, well done. Purple. Let's see. What is purple? Oh yes, the dress. The dress is purple. Yay. Next color is red. Can you find something that is red? Buttons are red. Buttons. Good. Next color is yellow. Let's see. What yellow? Oh yes, duckling. The duckling is yellow. Well done for knowing the colours and matching them. I hope you enjoyed this book, and if you'd like to see more, don't forget to subscribe and like Gitte TV. Be good for Mommy and Daddy. Bye bye.